Hello, hello. Alright. Day 2 of doing this. So today we should start implementing the Python approach to this, and I realized while trying to implement this using a CSV, once we get the file generated, we realized that it's actually a TXT file, not a CSV. So now we're kind of just switching up our approach. So this is what I am thinking at a high level. Let's get some tools downloaded on here. Obsidian. Okay, I don't have Obsidian. Probably as Obsidian. I'm gonna do a little bit of charting, or diagramming. Let's say quick start. Alright, let's do create a new canvas. Cool. Let's get rid of that graph view. So this is what I'm thinking. We're going to first, well, let's just do it in like pseudocode instead. So first thing we want to do is find a Python multi-processing library. Find the amount of CPU core or threads I have available. We're going to say, hold on, give me 1 second. Where's that shit? 357 slug. 1 chain, but 2 clip. Yeah. The Beretta, put it in all the holes and just sweater, the money getter. Alright, so let's, sorry, I'm just trying to think out loud, or think inside. So we have, so find the amount of CPU threads I have available. We're gonna say, threads is equal to total threads, something like that. We're gonna say we want to do our 1 billion lines, so that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? And that's gonna be divided by threads. So we're going to chunk size. I'm gonna say chunk size is this. So we're going to do a thread to run each chunk and loop through their assigned chunk, line by line, to put in to run the calculations for the min, mean, and max. Right. And that's kind of my idea for the most part. So it should be pretty simple. And I'm sharing out the wrong terminal apparently. Hold on.
I bought a pound and we rode the fuel. I talk shit, but she know it's true. Blessings, bitches in my section. Yo, with all this money, I'm obsessive. Weapons, turning off y'all extras. Turning off this bullshit direction. Turning up my grind, waking up to more pressure. But it's all in your mind, so I never feel pressure. No, it's all in
Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna go back through this since this is all gone. So my goal is to find a Python multiprocessing library, find the amount of CPU threads I have available, so threads can be equal to total threads, chunk size is equal to the 1 billion divided by the total thread count. Each thread will run its relative chunk at the same time for true parallelism, and it will run its min, mean, max for each one of those. Then we'll have to put everything back together, right? So that's gonna be the goal. So let's get to the next part. So we're gonna say Python parallel. Run parallel in Python with multi-threading fastest. So just kind of want to see, yeah, figure the multiprocessing library. Okay. Yeah, I can go off this example. Let's do def main. Oh, this is wrong language. Def main. We can say right here import multi-processing. Then now we're gonna say num processes equal to multi-processing dot CPU count. Until that day, I'm walking toward what's in my sights though, cause all I see is ocean views. Mama think I stink. I got burn holes in my hoodies. Returns the number of CPUs in the system. Okay, so
my belly just might be outy. Pull up inside a huggy. Start skiing Hutcha Dougie. I just opened up the pack in an hour. I'll ask my lucky. Tonight she just yelling fuck me. 2 weeks she'll be yelling fuck me. Used to like orange cassette tapes with Timmy, Tommy, and Chucky. And Chucky, Jesus pieces, sing Jesus love me. Put Visine inside so my grandma would fucking hug me. Your generation above me, I know you still remember me. My afro look just like that is. Y'all taught me how to go hunting. Blam! Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stink. I got burn holes in my hoodies, all my homies think it's dank.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Miss my cocoa butter kisses.
Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stink. I got burn holes in my hoodies, all my homies think it's dank. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. I will smoke a little something, but I don't inhale. Everywhere that I go, everywhere they be asking how's it going, say the go ends. Well, go figure, victors, light skin, Jesus got me feeling like Colin Powell. All praise to the guy, God knows he's a pro like Cole Intel. Checkmate, check me, take me to the barber like you know me well. I mean, normally you see Norma G with farmer Phil, but these kids these days they get so high, burn trees, smoke chlorophyll till they can't feel shit, face, this 15 heads on this L, elevated train and the craziest thing got me feeling like Lauren Hill. Miseducated, my dick delegated, rap bill battling me. They said I should have never made it, probably should have been dead or in jail. Deadbeat dad, enough of that jazz. Asshole absinthe up in that glass. Are we there? Yeah, ice cubes in a bone, red brain dead, take a tuck and then pass. I think we all addicted. Yeah, I think we all addicted. Really though, I think we all addicted. Yeah, I think we all addicted. Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stink. I got burn holes in my memories, my homies think it stank. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. I think we all addicted. Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stink. I got burn holes in my hoodies, all my homies think it stank. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. I miss my cocoa butter kisses.
I can make a flow, pitter patter with a patter, pitter juicy. Used to be in a Jollibee and a goofy. Try hard not to be addicted to a groupie. I ended up on an album cover in a Gucci. You see, I be still a guy, but a goofy doobie. Flowing about drugs and the Uzi. That's the dual principle. Sometimes I'ma be about some hope, sometimes I'ma wanna make a movie. And when it come to rapping fast, I'm the Higgs boson. Yeah. And though my style freakish, I can still break your body down to 5 pieces like I did Voltron. Yeah. Cause I'm addicted to the craft and I be off of OG. Know me, I'm the only one Canoli of the go see. Never scared of mean spirits, methamphetamine lyrics. Cooling like I'm off of codeine, low key. Don't be so judgmental, even though I'm reminiscing if I don't know what I
So I looked it up. We're gonna use something a little bit different. We're gonna say from kind of current dot futures import process pool executor. Is we playing the same song? What in the world? Gucci suit. Alright, well, we're gonna say, you know, main file path is equal to where did I have that at? Was it on here? Oh yeah, ls. Oh wait, no, I think it's already there, huh? ls data. Alright, and main.
leather seats with a head in the inside. Flying on the dash, G-Wagon, so fly. Number one, don't tangle and twist it. When it comes to these cars, I am that nigga. The Gucci with the matching interior. Three-wheel ride with the tie in the middle. It's fresh and stunner, and we like brothers. We shine like paint, daddy.
So I need to grab that, main. Alright. I'm gonna say threads. Oh, yeah, you use OS, import OS. Put a OS dot CPU count. Oops. Threads have thread count. What is it? This? Or no, I think it's just that. Threads. Yeah, sweet. Results. Is it with process pull executor? Max workers is equal to threads as executor. We're gonna say futures is equal to some list comprehension. Executor dot submit process file path start end. So for start end and chunk offsets file name threads. So we have to create those functions up here. Say def chunk offsets file name threads. We have def process chunk I think file name start and I'm gonna do that for right now. So now we got futures created. Or gonna go within this. Say for f and futures res is equal to f dot results. If res results dot append res should be it for that part. Go outside of that, I'm gonna say global min equal to min of what would that be in this case? We're doing results, so 0th index for rn results. Global mean to mean. Oops. Mean R1 for RN results. Global max is equal to max R2 for RN results. So that's what we're gonna get. We're gonna say print min. Oh, How did it want it? See, I didn't think about this all the way. So I do a dictionary, like a default dict. Say from collections import default dict. Oh. And 14k down. And we're gonna say what do we want here? We're gonna do merged is equal to default dict lambda float infinity 3.0 float negative infinity 0. I wonder what a language like Zig would look like with this. I'm gonna change this up a little bit. This should be the same. I'm gonna say for Shin. Aggregate is equal to merged. 0. Oops, sorry about that. I don't know where it went. Equal to min aggregate of 0 min ag 1 plus equals sm, in this case ag 2 max max ag plus equals so now we're gonna just do results is equal to that for station and sorted merged dot keys station is equal to f string 1f slash me home dot .1f slash max .1f print results. So
I'm about to drop in a few. Think if I call it the great, the people gon' call it the truth. I ain't really trip on the credit. I just paid all of my dues. I just respected the game. Now my name all in the news. Tripping on all of my moves. Quote me on this, got a lot more to prove. Remember I came in this bitch, fresh out the county, nothing to lose.
file path, file name. Can I access results, features? That in a minute. Say process chunk time. Stats is equal to default dict lamp duh float of infinity 0.0 float of negative infinity. Should just put that in a variable and reuse it. Whatever. And with open file name read as f.seek start. If start not equal to 0, f.read line while f.tell is less than n, line is equal to f.read line. If not line, break out of it. Try station temp is equal to line dot strip dot split at the semicolon. Temp. What's what? Oh, because I don't have the catch yet. Okay, or the accept in this language. Temp is equal to float, so turn that into float. Then we're gonna say st is equal to stats station st0 is equal to min st0 temp. Oh, jeez, I'm an idiot. I think we'll. Why does it keep going over? Okay. Except e error as e friend e. Like, is that why? Yeah, that is why. st1 is equals or plus equal temp. st2 is equal to max. Jeez. Max. st2 temp. st3 no, not 2, 3 plus equals 1. Then we're actually not going to do that. We're going to do play just a value here. And if that happens, just continue to the next iteration. And then finally return stats. And then the last one would be chunk offsets. So size equal to os.path.get size file. Oh jeez. Fuck them up. Blah, 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 blah. Chunk. size is equal to size divided by num chunks. So that way we get each size correct with open file name read bytes as file start is equal to 0 for I in range num chunks and is equal to start plus chunk size if I is less than num of chunks minus 1 oh no 8 f dot seek end look for the end f dot read line and is equal to f dot tell. So in this case, get out of this segment, we're gonna yield out the start and end. Jeez, come on, start and end. Then, oh geez, hello, come here. Start is equal to end. Num chunks is not defined. What the? Oh. Num chunks. Same thing. Result is not defined. Can I actually add access attribute results for class feature? Yes, you can. That'll be fine with the type. Python main. Oh, main. Name equal to main. And the truth of the matter, God clean also the ladder. So I have 12. Oh, jeez, it's gonna take forever. Oh wait, hold on. I didn't get to put a timer on it. And main import time. So I'm gonna probably throw the start time. Oh, just after the print statement. Start time is equal to time.perf counter. Oops. Then we need a. Jeez, why is this on repeat sometimes and sometimes it's not? It's dumb. La noche. Then right here. Do we have to have it after it prints all of it out? I'd say no. I'd say I put it right here. End time equal to time.perf counter. Print. Oh wait, obviously don't want to print it after the fact. We want to print. Before the fact. We actually want to print after the fact, which would be end time. Oh jeez, we're gonna have to make it look nice a little bit, I guess. Completed and end time minus start time of dot 2f probably would be good. Seconds. Alright, and I will get back whenever this is done, and see how this shit goes. I'll post this into the comment